Hi guys, and welcome to this week's second 10-minute mini sport session. This week we're going to be doing something super cool. We're going to do something that we have never done before in our mini sport sessions, and the reason we thought of this is because we've been locked down to our homes. We're not allowed to travel very far, so we thought we would travel as far as we possibly can, and we're going to take you guys into space with us today. So I hope you're ready for our exciting journey. We're going to go and see a lot of different things, but first of all, because we've got a lot of movement to do to get to space, we need to make sure that we are warmed up and ready to go. So let's have a sit down. We're going to make sure that all of our body is ready to go today. So can we have a big wave first of all to make sure our hands and our arms are ready? We're going to use these as part of our space rocket very soon. Then you're going to lean back and wave with your feet. Your feet and your legs are going to be the engines to propel you guys all the way to space. So make sure they're ready and warmed up, good to go. Stretch your legs out in front of you, making sure that you stretch as high as you can. Maybe point your hands together like this to make sure you're like a space rocket. Then go all the way forward to your toes. Then we're going for that big stretch up again. How big is this space rocket ready to go? Then reach all the way forward to your toes. Now you can fold your arms, cross your legs together. Let's see if we can wriggle our body around to stand up. As soon as you stand up, on our space rocket soon we're going to have lots and lots of tricky things to do, and we're going to see if you guys can follow the instructions. So let's see if now you guys can keep up as we ask you to touch different parts of your body. Let's see if you can keep up with us. Ready? So it's hands on top of your shoulders, hands on your tummy, hands on your knees, hands on your toes, hands on your knees, hands on your shoulders, hands on your tummy, hands on your hips, hands on your nose, hands on your ears, and hands on your head. You guys are going to be so good. This is going to be great. Okay, so next up, let's go for some star jumps to make sure we're ready to move all the way to space. In 3, 2, 1, go. And you can stop there. Okay, we are now ready to enter our space rocket, which is going to send us and blast off all the way into space. Okay, so we're going to bend our knees like this. As soon as we count to 10, or we count down from 10 and we say blast off, you're going to have your hands above your head, just like this, and be ready to burst off and to blast off into space, just like that. Okay, so we're counting to 10. We're going from 10, so it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blast off! Let's go all the way through to space. We need to make sure that you're moving super fast like this, guys. Can we move super fast as we travel out of the Earth's atmosphere and we head into space for the first time? Okay, we're into the atmosphere now, so we can slow down a little bit. We're going to see if we can go super fast as we reach the moon. Are you ready? For 10 seconds, we're going to go super speedy. Let's go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a big jump. And we have landed on the moon. On the moon, guys, it's a little bit different to where we live because there is no gravity. And that means that we're feeling a little bit floaty and we are moving around like this, guys. Okay? So we're moving quite slowly. We're going to see if, first of all, we can walk backwards. So Coach Lauren, if you want to head onto this side over here, we're going to see if we can move backwards together. Are you ready? Guys, you're going to help us move backwards? Let's go for it. Let's go for this moonwalk as we go backwards. Keep it going, keep it going. Now we're going to walk forwards and go back to the other side again. Are you ready? Keeping it nice and slow, guys. Go for this moonwalk. Really slowly. We're now going to face forwards and we're going to see if we can move sideways all the way over here. So we send one foot first and the other foot can meet it. Then the other foot, then the other foot comes. One more big step. Well done. Now let's head back this way. Heading all the way back into the other side. Can you guys keep up with our moonwalk super slowly? One foot then the other. And well done. The final thing we can see, we've got some big rocks in front of us, so we're going to have to go for some big jumps over them. Remember guys, when you jump, we're going to go really high in the air and make sure you do a jump in and out of each big one. We're going to go for 3. Are you ready? So let's jump forwards. That's 1, that's 2, and that is 3. We need to head off from the moon now because we're going to go to the next part on our space journey. So we're going to get back in our space rocket. This time we're going to count down from 5 and we're going to blast off into outer space. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! And we're travelling super, super fast again, first of all, to get away from the moon. And then we are into outer space, so we are moving around a little bit slower again. Coach Lauren, we have got 4 different planets to go and see. Okay. Which planet would you like to go and see first?
I think we should definitely go and see Mars.
Okay, we're going to Mars. So we're moving around first of all, guys. Let's move around outer space just like this. We're going to be there in a few seconds. Let's keep going. In 3, 2, 1, and a big jump. We have landed on Mars. Coach Lauren, at Mars, what we need to do, we need to go for some super, super fast star jumps. Okay? Are you ready, guys? Can you copy at home? We're going to go for star jumps for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. We're back moving around the outer space, guys. Let's go. Let's get moving again. Let's get moving around. Next planet we're going to go for. Can you guys guess from home? Coach Lauren, what's the next planet where we're going to go to?
I think we've been to Mars, so I think we should go to Jupiter.
In 3, 2, 1, and we have landed on Jupiter. Okay, at Jupiter what we need to do is we need to go for our frog jumps just like this, because we can see some animals and some aliens that are coming near us and they are moving like frogs. So we're going to see if we can move around in the same way. Okay, let's go for 5 big frog jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These animals and aliens are getting quite close. Let's move into outer space again. Off we go. We've got 2 more planets to go and see. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Coach Lauren, where are we going now?
I think the next planet we should go and see is one that's very cold.
Yeah.
It's quite a long way away from Earth.
Okay.
And it's called Saturn.
Saturn, we're going to land in 3, 2, 1, and we've landed. Because it is so cold at Saturn, we're going to have to move really, really fast to keep ourselves warm. We're going to go for 10 seconds of moving as fast as we can. Are we ready? Go, we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are off that freezing cold planet Saturn, the coldest one. Coach Lauren, we've got 1 more planet that we're going to go and see. Where should we go now?
So we've been to Mars, we've been to Jupiter,
Yeah,
and we've been to Saturn.
we have.
I think the next planet we should go to is definitely one that's really, really hot.
In 3, 2, 1, we have landed on
Mercury.
Coach Lauren, because it's so hot at Mercury, what do we need to do?
I think we've got to be super, super careful that we don't stand here for too long because we're going to burn, so I think we should hop on one foot. And then we need to swap and hop on the other foot.
So hot. Guys, can you hop as well?
Make sure you keep swapping feet.
Final few seconds. Oh, Coach Lauren, it's far too hot for me. Can we go back to Earth now, please?
Yes, definitely.
Back on our space rockets. We're going to count down from 10 because we are so far away from Earth. And when we're going to blast off all the way back. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! We need to go super, super fast. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can relax. Wow, what a journey that was. It is definitely time to cool down. So let's have a sit down and let's make lots of noise with your hands on the floor. Then make lots of noise with your feet. Let's go for a big stretch up to cool our space rocket down.
Guys, I'm glad we're back on Earth.
Reaching all the way forward to your toes. 1 more big stretch up. Then all the way to your toes. We need to have a big thumbs up. What a session and what a journey we've had, guys. We've been to so many different planets and we've also been to see the moon as well. That was fantastic. We look forward to seeing you at our next session. See you later, everybody.
Bye.